Kukunetanga mai Hawaiki ko te Hawaii ko Maui whare kino ka noho ia Pani kakawea ki te wai o mona ariki.
My name is Patrice, Tipoki-Arkins. I live here in Australia with my family, and I moved over here with my parents back when I was a toddler. My parents performed and were entertainers, and so we travelled around with them, me and my siblings. We'd go to all different towns and would watch them singing and dancing and making music and uplifting people and telling stories. And then as I've grown up, this is what I've continued to do in my life. So I'm a performer, I'm an actor, I'm an entertainer in my own right, and have built a career doing musicals and singing and teaching and telling stories. Now I am a mum and have 4 children of my own, and it's really interesting watching them taking the reins and starting to test their skills and starting to tell their own stories, and that excites me that they love music and that they love doing what we've always done. Music can be involved in the arts, I find, really fulfills the soul, but there's something that I find that connects us. No matter where you're from, you can all hear a piece of music and be moved, or you can look at a painting or a creation and learn something. And I love that you can be lifted to a higher realm through the arts that you may not always be able to access through through everyday happenings. Then sings my soul, my Savior unto thee. I feel great strength knowing where I come from, and I know that I could always learn more about my heritage, and being able to share the little that I do know with others is exciting for me, and I feel like the world is starting to be more open to that as well, and to not expect things to be just one certain way, especially in a commercial realm. When I was involved in The Lion King, that show had such heart, and the music and the story and the mana in that show had stayed with me and was so moving at the time when I was doing it as well. I love being involved in projects that have that depth of being able to include people's heritage and background as well. There's so many stories that need to be told and that we want to know about, and so you can teach us what it's like to live in Manatuka, or what it's like to swim in the Wairoa. There's so much that we can learn from each other, and there's so much adventure to be had while we're doing it.